Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking research on a new laser treatment that could stop blindness before it even starts by
Yeah,
targeting
wow.
dry macular degeneration.
So this treatment uses controlled heat to activate the eye's natural self-repair mechanisms, right?
Exactly, it's like they gently warm the retinal tissue, just a few degrees, not too hot, to trigger the eye's cleanup processes such as heat shock proteins and autophagy.
That's really fascinating, especially since dry AMD is such a major cause of vision loss in older adults. It must be quite tricky to control the temperature, though.
Right, and that's the challenge. They have to ensure it stays below 45 degrees Celsius to prevent any damage. The team at Aalto University developed a method using near infrared light with real time temperature monitoring for very precise control.
Yeah. So the treatment essentially wakes up the eye's natural defense systems. But isn't it kind of a gamble relying on those cellular responses?
Well, it might seem that way at first, but the idea is to stimulate the eye's own repair mechanisms. It's like giving the eye a little nudge to handle oxidative stress and clear out misfolded proteins and buildups called drusen.
Right. Fair enough, but I wonder, can we really depend on such a response long term? Cellular responses might wane over time.
That's a valid concern, and the researchers are on it. According to Professor Ari Koskelainen, the treatment needs to be repeated since the response can decline after a few days. Still, the early animal studies in mice and pigs have shown promising results, which is why human trials are slated for spring 2026.
It's interesting that they've even spun off a company, macular, to help transition this innovation into clinical practice. It sounds like a real step forward for preserving vision.
Absolutely, the vision is ambitious to have this treatment available in local ophthalmologist clinics within just a few years. Imagine routine laser treatments that could preemptively stop blindness in its tracks.
Yeah, incredible. Indeed, it's a refreshing perspective on managing a condition that affects millions globally. While I still have some reservations about the longevity of the treatment effects, the approach is innovative and promising.
Exactly. And as with all new therapies, further clinical trials will shine more light, pun intended, on its long term effectiveness. It's exciting to see such creative applications of laser technology in
Right
medicine.
on. No doubt, it's a great leap forward in preventive medicine for eye care. I'm looking forward to seeing how these trials progress.
Me too. It's like watching a new chapter of medical innovation unfold. Thanks for the chat today.